Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software. And on today's video, EclipseVox creating a dragon voice model, I'm going to walk you through the steps to do the initial configuration of a new dragon voice model so that you can get started with voice writing in Eclipse. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now let's take a look at configuring your first Dragon voice model. To create a Dragon voice model, the first thing that you need to do is decide which dictation device you're going to use. This might be a mask, or if you're creating a remote profile, or if you plan to work mostly remotely, this might be an open microphone or headset. What I'm going to do is go to my user settings, to the real-time tab, to audio recording, and I'll click the Windows Setup button to make sure that my voice mask is available. Right now, it's not plugged in. I've plugged the USB adapter for my voice mask in, and I see that it has appeared as microphone USB audio device. It's important that you know the name of your voice mask or voice writing device. And plugging it in while you're looking at this screen is a good way to know that. I'm going to click OK, OK, and OK now that I've confirmed the name of my voice writing device. Next, we're going to launch Dragon and configure a new voice writing profile. I'm going to click Vox Utilities, or I can go to Tools, Voice, and choose Voice Utilities. In this window, I'm going to choose Manage User Profiles and click OK. In the Manage User Profiles window, I already have two profiles available, but what I'm going to do for this example is click New, and we'll create a new voice model together step by step. In the first window, click Next, and I'm going to name my voice model. You can give your voice model the name that makes the most sense to you. I'm going to call mine my first name. And we want to make sure that this profile is to transcribe recordings of someone else speaking is not checked, because this is going to transcribe our voice. And then we'll click Next. In the next window, choose your region and accent settings. If you have an accent or you're from a different country, choose that other country or other accent. I'm going to leave mine set to United States and Standard as I feel it most closely represents my actual voice. I'll click Next. And here is where you're going to choose your dictation device. And so previously we checked and it was called microphone USB audio device on my computer. So I'm going to choose microphone USB audio device and click Next. The next step is going to be to do a dictation sample so that the speech engine can begin acclimating to your voice. And so it warns you to position your microphone appropriately. If you're using an open mic, make sure that the boom of the mic is placed appropriately. Or if you're using a mic on your desk, make sure that it's in the appropriate range according to the microphone manufacturer's instructions. If you're using a mask, place it on your face so that the seals are sealed appropriately. And then click Next to get started. When you're ready, click the Start button to begin reading the text to configure the microphone in Dragon. I'm going to click Start and I'll read the text. My configuration has completed. In some instances, you may need to begin reading the text again if the configuration does not complete by the time you reach the end. Once the configuration is complete, hit Next. Dragon will now customize itself to your voice sample that you've provided. We'll do further customization in the future, but this is the first step. If you're prompted to extend your Dragon experience on a mobile device, you can simply click Next. And now Dragon has finished doing the first initial setup for my new voice user, and I can click Finish to finish the process. Creating a voice model is only the first step towards full configuration for voice writing. In future videos, we'll cover each step as they come. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached by phone anytime with any question at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available for less urgent matters at support@eclipsecat.com. Click the video links on screen to learn more about Eclipse and Advantage software. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.